Now, a major company announcing some big expansion plans in central Ohio, a nearly $1 billion investment that will create hundreds of new jobs in New Albany. Medicine manufacturing company Amgen is officially making that announcement as we speak. And 10 TV's Doug Petcash is live at Amgen's facility right off State Route 161. And Doug, tell us more about this announcement.
Well, Angela, the big announcement is just getting started at an event in the packed room behind me right there. Now, earlier today, I had a chance to sit down with Amgen's Vice President of Operations. She says it's a $900 million expansion that will create 350 jobs. They're making the announcement today, but work is already well underway. Cranes stretch into the sky and excavators move dirt on the ground. Amgen's manufacturing facility expansion is taking shape in New Albany.
It's a dream come true.
Amgen Vice President of Site Operations, Sandra Rodriguez-Toledo, says the expansion is happening in record time. Production at the original facility here just started in February of 2024, and they plan to bring the expansion online in 2027.
When we started with an idea. And the idea was to have the most advanced assembly operation in terms of automation, having artificial intelligence.
How important is this for the company to be able to do this expansion?
It is extremely important because we have a global operation, and this is part of our strategy to ensure supply to our patients.
Nearly 400 workers at this facility assemble, label, and package medicines for illnesses including cancer, heart disease, osteoporosis, and other rare diseases. Another 350 workers will join them when the expansion is complete. What do you think about the workforce in Central Ohio?
It is an extraordinary workforce, and we have been able to succeed. 80% of my total employees are from Central Ohio.
The Amgen expansion comes at a time when Intel has announced another delay for its Licking County memory chip plant, now expected to be operational in 2031. And Microsoft is pushing back its $1 billion investment plan to build 3 data centers also in Licking County. Why is Amgen able to expand when we see other companies, holding off a bit?
Because it's a different industry. We are supplying medicines, and people need medicines.
Amgen is a global company. Rodriguez-Toledo tells me they are evaluating the impact of President Trump's tariffs on the company, but she says the most important thing is making sure that they get their medicines to the patients who need them. And again, they expect to be operational by 2027. Angela?
And certainly big news for Ohio with Lieutenant Governor Tressel there as well. Doug, thank you so much for being there reporting on this Boomtown announcement. And we do have much more about Amgen along with other Boomtown-related growth in tonight's new episode of This Week in Boomtown. It's our streaming show on 10 TV Plus. Just look for the app on your television, download it for free, and you can watch anytime.